Chop and choppers, want to learn cooking? You need to hear how easy it is to whip up this easy chicken satay salad. Step 1. In a dish, mix tamari, curry powder, cumin, garlic, and honey. Slice chicken breasts in half and coat with the marinade. Let it chill in the fridge for at least an hour. Overnight is even better. Step 2. Make a quick satay sauce with peanut butter, chili sauce, lime juice, and water. Cook the chicken in a lightly oiled pan, 5 to 6 minutes, flip once, and keep it juicy. Step 3. Toss lettuce, cucumber, shallots, coriander, and pomegranate. Plate it up, slice the chicken, drizzle that satay goodness on top, and boom! Warm, fresh, and packed with flavor.